In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Aweber account. Begin by logging into your account. At the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, click on your organization's name. A side menu will appear with several options. Click on My Account. Inside your account settings, switch to the Billing section. Under Billing and Plan Information, you will see the option to close my account. Click on it, then select No Thanks, Just Cancel. You will be asked to choose a reason for closing your account. Select the appropriate reason, scroll down, and if you are switching to another provider, indicate that as well. You can also leave feedback for the Aweber team in the provided text box. Click Next to continue. At this stage, Aweber may offer to put your account on hold for $5 per month instead of closing it. If you do not want this option, click No, Cancel My Account. You will then be prompted to enter your password. Once entered, confirm by clicking Yes, Cancel My Account. Afterward, you will see a message at the top of your screen stating that your account will become inactive after 1 month. If you change your mind during this period, you can reactivate it by contacting Aweber. However, after the 1-month period ends, your account will be permanently deleted. And this is how you can delete an Aweber account.